In today's session, same way, like we'll create a new requisition again, and we'll perform that end-to-end cycle from the like guided by perspective. Okay. So same way that whenever we have to create the requisition in the guided bank, so we have to just land on the particular landing page and just to search the particular product. So same way we can go in the IT equipment if you buy the laptop, and once you come in this landing page, so based upon that like product available, that system will display that like based upon the some like catalog hierarchy, system will display the different landing page here. Basically these are called as that the tiles. So here also we have to select the particular tiles for which that product we need to purchase. So in case if you need to purchase the laptop, we have to click on this laptop and notebook tiles. Let me just click here, and now we can see, so system is showing that list of the catalog what is available in this like particular like tiles, that is laptop. So we can see four like laptops is configured as the catalog in the system. So just for example, let's say we have to buy this Apple MacBook Pro. So what we have to do, we have to simply click on the add to cart, and in the next that we will have the proceed to checkout option. All right, we can see we have the checkout option. So now let me click on the checkout. All right. So once we like click on the checkout, system will automatically allocate this PR number. So we can see this PR number is like created, but still it is not submitted for that approval. And we have to provide some basic information. So as we discussed yesterday, we have to first provide this need by date. So need by date, let me give 28th. And in the last we have to provide that region, like why we would like to buy this item. So we have the different options here. Based upon that like different like requirement, we can select the particular option, and once we will specify this particular information, so in the next we have to click on the submit. So submit means like we are going to submit this requisition for the approval. Okay. So now let me click on the submit. All right, we can see the system gives this pop-up that your requisition has been sent for the approval. Now let me click on this view requisition. So we can see the the PR status, it is showing as that order. That's something that means PO has been created as there is no workflow that is configured in the system for the approval. So the system has not determined any workflow, and the PO is automatically created and it is sent to that supplier. Okay. So same way
So,
here we can see. Mhm.
so Rohit, yesterday it shows
Yes,
that
Paul,
it's
go ahead.
awaiting approval, right?
Basically, I was using different ID itself, so that is why in this
Oh,
ID we do not have any approval. Yeah.
okay. So when it's awaiting approval, you have to log into that approval and then do it, right? Approve it.
Yes, 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 yes. Basically, that but that respective approver, they will receive the notification to approve that. So they have to log in and they have to approve. All right. So we can see here in this screen that relevant information about this like purchase rec. So we can see like that something ship to address, charge to address, and here we can see it is showing as that like this is something PO number. Even if you come downside, so we'll have the history tab. So here we can see in the history as well that in the first it is showing PR 5977 is submitted for the approval, budget check was successful, required no approval, and this order C379R3 is successfully created and sent by the Ariba network to the supplier. Okay. Now,
So
as we
where does
discussed
it,
yesterday.
so where
Mhm.
does it check the budget? It shows budget check was successful, right? Is it within the
Yes, but
Ariba itself, or
it- within the Ariba only.
but the guided buying they cannot see the budget, right? Can they see the budget also or no in the guided buying?
We cannot see the budget here. Let me just see here if you can show you. No, in the guided buying we cannot see. But as I said, the database is the same of the guided buying as the procurement solution. So whatever the process that is there in the procurement solution, same process this guided buying will also follow. Okay. So I'm coming to on that point itself. So yesterday we discussed as the database is the same for the guided buying and the for the procurement solution. Procurement means your Ariba spend management solutions, right? So how we can say that the database is the same? So let's say that we have created this PR or this PO in this guided buying, right? And if we will check, or let's assume that now PO is created and we would like to perform the receiving not in the guided buying, we would like to perform the receiving in the Ariba spend management. Okay, so so in that case, like so if this particular document will be available in the Ariba spend management, in that case only we will in the position to perform the receiving in the our Ariba spend management, right? So first let's try to see this document, either this document is available in this Ariba spend management or not. All right, so here we have the PR number PR5977. So let me just copy this PR number. We'll go in the Ariba spend management, and what we'll do, we'll simply search this PR number. I'm on the requisition. Click on the search. Okay, what we'll do, we'll give this PR number. So let me give this PR number here. Anyway, let me give the digit only and click on the search. So we can see, if you check the PR number, that PR 5977, and if you come here, so we can see this is the PR number, right? That means this PR we can also find in the Ariba spend solutions also, right? And if we will open this PR, so we can see we have the same information. So we have the same summary, budget, orders, receipt, history tab. Apart from this, in the top side we have the same information, that is we copy, change, cancel, receive or print. So that means if you want to perform the receiving in the Ariba spend, you can perform the receiving, or if you want to perform the receiving in the guided bank, there also you can perform. And in your, like for your question, we can see we have the budget information as well. So even though the budget information we cannot see in the guided buying, but since this database is the same and both the systems are integrated with the backend SAP system, that is why the system gives the message that budget check was successful. Okay. And even if you come in the order tab, so in the order tab, we can see this is our PO number. So in that way, we can say the database is the same for the guided buying and for the Ariba spend management.